Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the TalkTune English podcast, where English becomes part of your daily.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to TalkTune English. I'm Lena. If you're trying to speak English more fluently, but still struggle, you're not alone. Speaking English can be very difficult. Maybe you're studying grammar. Maybe you're watching English videos. But when you try to speak, the words just don't come out easily. That's okay. Today, I'm going to introduce you to Emily and Paul.
How are you today, Paul? How has your week been so far?
You know, Emily, it's been a week. Busy, yes, but good in some ways. How about yours? Are you good?
I'm very good, thank you. My week has been a bit interesting. Today, we just want to have a daily conversation.
Yes, just like friends talk. Like we are just chatting here.
Exactly. It's perfect for practicing English. It's for your everyday life. We just want to chat with you today.
Yes, exactly. It's like we're just sitting at a cafe. We're talking about our lives. It's very relaxed. We hope you feel like you're here with us.
So, before we start, remember to like this video and share it with your friends. Please do that for us. It helps us a lot.
Yes, and subscribe to Mr. English channel. Do it if you haven't yet. It helps us a lot. We can make more content for you.
Yes, please do. We love having you here. Your support means so much to us. Okay, Paul, tell me, what's happening in your life this week?
Well, Emily, at work, it was quite busy. I had a big project due on Tuesday. It took a lot of my time.
Oh, a big project. That sounds like a lot of work. Was it difficult? Did it go well?
It was a little difficult, yes. Many numbers. It went well. We finished it, so I'm happy now.
That's great news. Finishing a big project feels so good. So, Tuesday was busy. What about Monday?
Monday was busy too. I had many emails and meetings. But after work, I went to the gym. That was good.
Oh, nice. Going to the gym is a good way to relax after a busy day. Do you go every Monday?
I try to. It helps me feel better. And then Wednesday, today, was a bit calmer. I had time for lunch.
That's good. A calmer day is always nice in a busy week. Did you do anything fun for lunch?
I had lunch with a colleague. We talked about a new movie. It was a good break. What about your week, Emily?
My week was also busy with work, but I had a funny moment on Tuesday. I went to the supermarket.
Oh, really? A funny moment at the supermarket? Tell me, what happened?
Well, I wanted to buy milk, but I went to the wrong aisle. I found only juice. I walked around for so long.
Oh no, only juice. That must have been confusing. Did you find the milk in the end?
Yes, I did, after asking for help. A very nice lady helped me. It was a bit silly.
That's a classic. Sometimes simple things can be funny. So, your Tuesday had a little adventure. What about Monday for you?
Monday was mostly work. Planning for the week. many calls, but in the evening, I cooked a new recipe.
Oh, nice. A new recipe. What did you cook? Was it tasty?
I made a vegetable curry. It was delicious, a bit spicy, but very good. I love trying new food.
That sounds yummy. I like spicy food. Do you cook often? Or just sometimes?
I try to cook often. It's relaxing for me, and it's healthier. So, my week was a mix of work and small adventures.
That's a good way to describe it. A busy week with some nice moments. So, with the week almost over,
Yes. What are your plans for the weekend, Paul? Are you going to relax after your busy week?
yes, exactly. I need to relax. On Saturday morning, I plan to sleep in. Maybe until 9 or 10 a.m.
Oh, that sounds amazing. Sleeping in is the best. Do you have a favorite pillow?
Yes, my favorite soft pillow. And after that, I want to read a new book. I started a mystery book.
Oh, a mystery book. I remember you like those. Is it good? Is it exciting?
It's very good. Very exciting. I want to finish it this weekend. It has many surprises.
Nice. Reading a good book is a perfect way to relax. Anything else for Saturday?
Yes. On Saturday afternoon, if the weather is good, I want to go to the park. I love walking there.
Ooh, that's a good plan. Walking in the park is so nice. Do you go alone or do you meet friends there?
Sometimes I go alone. I enjoy the quiet. But sometimes a friend calls me. We meet there. It depends.
I see. So the park is a good option. Do you see many people there? What do they do?
Oh, yes. Many people. Some run, some sit on benches, some play with their dogs. It's very green and lively.
That sounds lovely. A very happy place. What about your Sunday, Paul? More relaxing?
Sunday for me. I think I will read my book again in the morning. I really want to finish it.
That's a good plan. Finishing a book feels good. And after reading?
In the afternoon, I want to prepare food for the week. You know, cook a big meal, so I have food ready for Monday.
That's a very smart plan, Paul. Cooking for the week is a great idea. It saves so much time.
Yes, it saves so much time during the busy work days. I don't need to cook every night. It helps me eat healthy.
What kind of food do you usually prepare? Something easy to store?
Usually I make something simple, like chicken with rice and vegetables, or sometimes a big soup with lots of vegetables.
Ooh, a big soup sounds delicious, especially if the weather is a bit cold. So, your weekend sounds very balanced.
Yes, I think so. It's important to have some quiet time to recharge and also to prepare for the week so I'm not stressed.
That's very good and productive. A mix of relaxing and preparing. What about your weekend, Paul? Any big plans?
Well, on Saturday morning, I will clean my apartment. It's not very fun, I agree, but it needs to be clean.
Oh, I know that feeling. Cleaning is absolutely necessary, but not always enjoyable. Good luck with that.
Thank you, Emily. I will need it. I usually play some music while I clean. It makes it more fun. What music do you play?
I play happy pop music. It makes me dance a little. Helps me clean faster.
That's a good idea. Music makes everything better. So, cleaning on Saturday morning. What about the afternoon?
After cleaning on Saturday afternoon, I plan to visit my sister. She lives quite near here, just a few stops on the bus. We will have lunch.
Oh, that's nice. Visiting family is always good, especially sisters. Do you talk a lot when you visit her?
Yes, we talk endlessly. We always have so much to tell each other. We talk about everything, our work, our friends, our lives, and old memories.
That sounds great. What do you like to cook with your sister? Do you have a favorite dish you make together?
We often make a big salad with lots of vegetables, or sometimes pasta with a simple tomato sauce. Something easy and yummy and quick.
That sounds perfect. A nice family lunch with good food and good conversation. So, Saturday is for cleaning and family time.
Yes, and on Sunday, I want to go to the cinema. There is a new movie. I really want to see it. It's a comedy.
A comedy. That's great. I love to laugh. Who are you going with? A friend?
Yes, I'm going with my friend, Sarah. We will meet at the cinema in the afternoon, around 3 p.m.
Perfect. Time for a movie. And after the movie, what are you doing? More fun?
After the movie, maybe we will get some ice cream if the weather is warm. I hope they have my favorite flavor.
Ice cream after a comedy? That's a perfect Sunday plan, Emily. I love ice cream too. What's your favorite flavor?
My favorite is chocolate with mint. So good. It's a bit unusual, but I love the mix. What about your Monday next week, Paul?
Monday, next week, on Monday morning, I have an important meeting at work, so I need to prepare for that. It's usually a busy morning.
Ooh, good luck with your meeting, Paul. I hope it goes well. Is it a long meeting?
Yes, it can be long. Maybe 2 hours? But it's important for the week. After the meeting, I will eat lunch.
I see. And where do you eat lunch? Do you go out with colleagues?
Yes, I often eat lunch with colleagues. We usually go to a small restaurant near the office. They have good sandwiches.
That's nice. Good to have a break with friends. And on Tuesday, do you have plans for Tuesday?
On Tuesday, I want to go to the gym in the morning. I like to exercise early. It gives me energy for the day.
That's great discipline, Paul. Exercising in the morning is a good start to the day. Do you go every Tuesday?
I try to, and then on Tuesday afternoon, I need to do some paperwork at home. Boring, but necessary. It never ends.
Oh, paperwork. Yes, that's not fun, but it has to be done. What kind of paperwork?
Just some bills to pay and organizing my documents. Nothing exciting. And for Wednesday, any plans for the middle of your week?
For Wednesday, I have an English class online. You know, to keep practicing. I love learning new words.
That's great, Emily. Always good to practice English. And after the class?
After the class, I want to go for a walk in my neighborhood. Just a short walk. To get some fresh air.
That's a nice idea. A walk helps clear your head. So your week looks busy, but good.
Yes, a mix of practical things, social time, and learning. What about your Wednesday, Paul?
For Wednesday, I plan to visit my parents. They live a little far, so I will take the bus to their house.
Oh, that's lovely. Visiting your parents is always special. How long is the bus ride?
It's about an hour bus ride. In the afternoon, we will have dinner together. My mom makes the best food.
That's wonderful. Do you help them with anything when you visit? Maybe help in the garden?
Sometimes I help my dad in the garden. He loves his plants. Or my mom with something in the kitchen. Just small things.
That's very kind of you. It's good to spend time with family. And after dinner?
Yes, it's good to help out a little. We talk for a long time, and on Wednesday evening, after dinner, I usually read a little before sleeping, or listen to a podcast.
That sounds like a very good week too, Paul. A mix of work, exercise, and family time. It's important to have different activities, right?
Yes, exactly. It makes the days interesting, not just about work. It's nice to talk about our lives.
Absolutely. It helps us think about what we want to do and how to organize our time. It makes life easier, less stress.
And it's a great way to practice English. Talking about simple, everyday things, just like friends do. It's very natural.
Yes, it's not a test. It's just conversation, like we're having right now. Very natural and very easy.
Right. And we hope all of you at home are also thinking about your week. What about your plans for the weekend?
Yes. What about next week? Maybe you have similar plans to ours, or completely different ones. Tell us.
We'd love to know. So please, if you enjoyed this conversation, remember to like this video. Give us a big thumbs up.
Yes, it helps us know you like this kind of content. And share this episode with your friends, especially those learning English.
It helps them learn in a fun way, and it helps us a lot to reach more people. So please share.
And if you haven't already, please subscribe to Mr. English Channel. We have new episodes every week, full of easy and fun English lessons. Don't miss out.
And please leave a comment below. Tell us, what are you doing this week? Or what are your plans? We love reading your comments.
Yes, tell us. We are very curious. We read every single one. It's very nice to hear from you.
Thank you so much for joining us today on Mr. English.